subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Huawei Enjoy 20 Pro smartphone, the company is now reported to launch the lower variant of it as Huawei Enjoy 20. And recently, the upcoming phone renders and key specifications were surfaced online. According to leaks, the Huawei Enjoy 20 will support a 6.63-inch Full HD Plus display with no notch or punch hole. That means the upcoming phone will have a pop-up selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone appears to feature a triple camera setup under the circular module, including LED flash at the top center. The AAA cameras will include one 48 megapixel main camera and the other two camera details were not known, but it will likely include one ultra wide angle lens plus macro lens. Under the hood, the phone is expected to come powered by Kirin 820 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The handset is rumored to pack with 4300 mAh battery that will support 22.5 watts fast charging. Additionally, the leak renders also suggest the phone to feature an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. Apart from this, there is no other details of Huawei Enjoy 20 smartphone at the moment, and we expect the phone to launch soon in the coming days. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Huawei Enjoy 20 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.